In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to render a video with transparency in Adobe After Effects. Whether you're working on an animation, a logo, or any project that requires transparent elements, it's crucial to preserve those areas to maximize the flexibility and professional look of your work. First, let's make sure your composition is set up correctly. Open your composition in After Effects and look over the composition window. You want to check for transparent areas, indicated by the checkerboard pattern. This pattern is essential because it shows which parts of your composition are transparent and will remain so during the rendering process. It's a visual guide, making it clear which areas won't display any background when your video is exported, allowing for seamless integration over any other media or background you choose. Once you've confirmed your composition's transparency setup, let's proceed to render your project. With your composition selected, navigate to the top menu and click on Composition. From the drop-down, select Add to Render Queue. This step transitions your project from the workspace to a readiness state for export. Now, the Render Queue panel should be visible. Here, you'll see various options that determine how your composition is exported. Focus on the Output module section and click on its settings. This is where we'll specify the format that retains the transparency you're looking for. Under the Format option, choose a format that supports alpha channels. In this context, QuickTime is a popular choice due to its compatibility and widespread use in professional video editing workflows. With the format set, move on to the Channels option. Here, you'll want to choose RGB plus alpha. This selection is critical. It tells After Effects to include not just the colors in your composition, but also the transparency. Avoid the simple RGB option, as it wouldn't carry over the transparency information, negating the checkerboard areas you've worked with. As a final step in the settings, ensure that you select a codec that supports alpha channels. On a Mac system, Apple ProRes 4444 is an excellent choice, known for maintaining high-quality images while supporting transparency. Remember that some popular formats like H.264 or MP4 do not support transparency, so it's important to choose wisely based on your needs. Lastly, specify the desired output location for your file. It's good practice to select a folder you can easily access later. When you're satisfied with all your settings, go ahead and click Render. This will start compiling your composition into a file that preserves all the transparency you've structured into your project. And that's it. By ensuring transparency is preserved, you've made sure that your creative work can be used flexibly and professionally in any context or environment. Keep practicing these steps, and you'll be rendering transparent videos with ease in no time.